Welcome to Da Nang. It is beautiful again. The rain stopped. The rain stopped actually 2 hours in yesterday from the last video, and then it was actually nice again. So definitely nice blue sky here, and we're gonna check out the beach now because I'm wondering if this heavy rain and thunder storms here did something to the beach, or if it's just still looking very good. I'm wondering also what's gonna happen over here. What kind of machinery is this? Is this drilling? Is this drilling? Do they drill for oil here? Or they're checking the floor. We are in the Antung 34 right now. Shout out to Todd. He always stays here in this hotel, but he said he cannot stay there anymore because too many construction around. Look at this. So this was initially planned as a local beans. Now it looks like an apartment building getting constructed here. Very interesting. This is how it should look. Very interesting, guys. Also, there are so many new apartment buildings. You know what? Let's check that out on the way to the beach. I think they built 3-4 apartment buildings here. They're not all done yet, but I think few are of them. And when it's done, then it's also good in the city, in the street here, because then everything, all the noise is gone. HB apartment, I also reviewed that on my channel already. But they had lots of apartments getting built here. But yeah, what is this here? HP Sapa apartment. HP Sapa apartments. Interesting. Del Mar apartments. Okay, I'm gonna add that to my Google Maps guide too. So we have a new apartment building over there. A new one over there. This is pretty new too. Yeah. It's still noisy in the street here. So it will take a few months. I think this will be also a noise factor. But they're brand new apartments, guys. Who knows if they are good or not? I mean, I will find out. Marcus and I also already want to check out this one. Brand new apartment there. Also, I read in my last comments that bug service was not there where I said where it was. I already corrected it in the other walk, but if you want to exchange money, bug service changed the location to this one. It's in the Sandy Hotel, which was before Yen V Hotel. They changed the name as well. So bug service is over here in the Antung 30. All right. And we were just at the moment at the Antung 32. And now we're walking Antung 30 to the beach. If you get an apartment in these streets, this is gonna be your closest beach walk. Oh wow, this is also brand new. Something gonna happen there very soon. But they're gonna have to live with a big construction site over here. And this here is gonna be done very soon too. I think they did a lot of AC rooms, which is very needed now. This is an apartment building here. And we have another big construction site over there. I'm wondering what this will be. It looks like big. It looks like a big apartment building. I'm wondering how high it will be. But look at those. What is it called again? I don't know, but it looks like it's a very high ceiling foyer. Those are the noises here in the neighborhood right now. This place is getting very soon done, I think. As you can see here, the first two, they worked the first. And then they will continue with the other ones on the other side. Very interesting. It's gonna be interesting new stores or restaurants coming in there. We will see. But let's check out the beach. One bad part about this construction, they took away the sidewalk. So now you have to walk on the street by default. I hope they're gonna be done soon. This is like a pretty bad thing here. Or you have to go to this sidewalk. But this year, I think it's gonna be done soon. I think this year it should be done and working properly. But we will see. You will find out on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. It's free. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, guys. And something is gonna happening over there. There were very small little stores and stalls, but I can see only one big brick building there. I'm not sure if they're gonna remove that as well. Oh wow, look at this. This is how they paint the streets here, with yellow color. Asphalt work in the going. The thing is, making these zebra stripes must be such an unrewarding thing to do, because no one really uses them. I mean, people use them, but no one respects the sign of it. But maybe with this yellow one, they will have more respect. I don't want to walk on it now. Oh, I don't want to have yellow paint on my shoes. But yeah, that's how it looks now. So they're replacing the white zebra stripes with yellow ones. Maybe it's better to see, you know? So people may be gonna stop for pedestrians to walk, to cross the street. This is how it looks now. It looks phenomenal. Lots of people in the water too. Surfers are out. There are some waves. So this is always the good thing about a little bit of a storm. You get some waves. The waves looks actually good. I mean, not high or anything, but it looks fun. I see at least 10 surfers out in this little strip. And another surfboard over here. Usually the summer is not so good to surf. I think it is the best in January. But yeah. I remember there was a surfing competition in one January when I was there one time. The M Hotel here. Yeah, how does it look? How does the beach look? It looks very good. It looks very good, guys. Whew. And it is brutally hot again. It is so hot, it's crazy. And it is just 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. Pretty wild. I don't know if this public restroom is still in works. There's a restroom from the Maya Beach. Whew. Brutally hot, guys. Brutally hot. It's really important to walk into the shade. Stay in shade. You can have bad sunburning here. Even though you're at the beach and it doesn't feel that bad with the ocean and everything. Oh, look at this beautiful waves here. I see even more surfers now. Whoa, someone is even riding a wave very long now. Oh, that's great for all my surfers out there. Keep an eye on it. This is actually great. And somewhere on the coastline should be always a little bit of surfing going on. Unless it's super calm and just a normal summer day. So this weekend is going to be the last day of the International Fireworks Festival. Then also the room rates will be normalized again. I actually saw $7 hotel rooms for $140 on that day. Kind of crazy, but yeah. This is the biggest event, I think, here in Da Nang, usually, in the summer. It's every time I check rates during that time, during that Saturday and Sunday, because many people from all the country come there exactly for the weekend and leave again on Monday or Sunday. Yeah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 6. Yeah. Final round. New rising era. I could imagine this is gonna be the biggest one they ever done. Because it's an important year for Vietnam. So I could imagine it's gonna be massive. I might check it out too. I see it actually from my balcony though. But, oh, actually I will. I'm actually gonna be in a rooftop. I'm gonna be in a rooftop and see the fireworks actually. My wife did that for us. Her friends are coming from Hanoi and we will actually be there this time. I think I was always at some kind of rooftop at some point with this International Fireworks Festival. But yeah, I'm not a big fan of fireworks, and I don't know. I feel like one is enough. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next walk.